Sometimes you'll be working with very large data sets and there'll be data in there that isn't right. In my case here, I've just added a line in there that says thongs. I don't want to have that row in there any further, so I can go in and delete it. But rather than using the mouse or the actual screen, what I'm going to do is use the shortcut keys. So first thing is I'm going to click on the actual row I want to delete, so the thongs row. I go Shift Spacebar first to select the actual row, and then I just go Control minus, and that then deletes that row that I'm actually interested in. So it's a very easy process. So step one is you want to go Shift Spacebar to select the row, then Control minus to actually delete the row.